have my top. Honest to goodness, this is giving me Britney Spears Slave For You vibes. Honestly, the great thing about this is you can actually use a different type of bangle every time. Now we have the dress, all in its glory.
Heavens, child, you can't go in there.
Just for good measure. Is the finished product. I'm actually gonna go in with this bangle, and I tucked one of these strings inside here. I'm going to take this bangle and put this in through the bangle. So now it looks like this. I'm gonna pull this one down, and then I have this top.
Yes, it's lovely, dear.
I can let this go down like this. I can tie it in the back. This, and this is the back.
Something simple, but daring too.
I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what type of videos I should do next, as well as subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't already. I was super scared how this product would actually turn out. I just free-handed and just kind of came up with this on my own, and I am so satisfied with the results. I hope you guys learned something. Lookbook is actually coming soon, so stay tuned. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and that's a wrap. Bye!